Hey y'all, happy Sunday. Cheers. Man, it's been raining here for 3 days. The rain stopped about an hour ago. Now the wind picked up about 35 miles an hour. So what the hell? We're cooking inside today. My trusty cooking bags. Had a lovely young subscriber the other day on a live feed sent me a donation for a chuck roast. So, Mitch, we're going to do a chuck roast for you, girl. It's just a little over 4 pounds. And, let's see, I got a big old bowl over here somewhere. Got potatoes and carrots in it. And I got some onions, a green pepper, a poblano pepper, 8 ounces of mini bella mushrooms. I got some garlics. We're going to use some beef stock, red wine. I'm using a Cabernet Sauvignon today. What's this here sauce? Some black pepper and some Lipton onion soup stuff. We're going to need a little bit of flour, and that's about it. So, let's start off by putting some garlics in the meat. I've had this meat sitting out, well, I don't know, about 2 hours, I guess, trying to get it to warm up a little bit. So we'll poke this hole in there and shove some garlic down in there. So, just like that. And we go all the way around. And I don't know, I got 8 or 10 little cloves of garlic. So, let me get all them holes poked and garlic in there, and we'll be back in a minute. Okay, you see I got my garlics all stuffed in my hunk of beef there. Now I'm going to take a couple of spoons of flour and put in my bag. I'm going to use a little more flour than I normally do because I'm going to put a lot of liquid in here, and hopefully I'll make some type of a gravy. We'll see. And just shake the flour around a bit. And I've had people ask me, I don't know, people, I don't know. I just know what the instructions tell me in the booklet. It says put flour in here and shake it around to keep it from exploding. Then it also tells you to poke holes in the top of it to keep it from exploding. I don't know. I've never had one of these bags explode on me. And so I just keep doing what it tells me to do. And it works. Now I'm going to get my potatoes. And, see, I got big old potatoes. I just cut them in half lengthways. Get off of there. And sometimes this is a two-person operation with these bags. Especially if you're done with me.
I don't know why you didn't cut them carrots up.
I didn't cut the carrots up because I really don't like carrots. You're the only one to eat them, so.
They're gonna get done as big as they are.
Oh, they all get done. They all get done, trust me. So, potatoes and carrots. Got that in there. Spread that around a bit. Throw our onions in. Just 2 onions I cut in half. Get down there. And all this stuff will cook down. And then we'll throw all our peppers in there. And looks like a lot of prep and a lot of ingredients, but it makes for a one-pot meal. Simple cleanup. You know, you just basically open a bag and serve out of the bag if you want. Throw our mushrooms in there. This is going to cook about 2.5 hours. I don't know, something like that. So everything's going to get cooked down. Oven's at 350, so it'll be okay. Now we're going to put some pepper on our roast. It's a big hunk of meat, so it can take some pepper. Plus you got all your other veggies in there. Wipe my hand off.
Dear, Christmas is over with. You shouldn't be wearing reindeer pants.
They're the warmest pants I got. Spread all this stuff out about evenly so I can lay the meat down in there. Lay down. Get this out of my way. I'll take the bowl that I had the potatoes and carrots in. I'll take my 2 envelopes of Lipton onion soup mix.
They're 2 what?
Envelopes. Drop them in there. Put some what's this here sauce in there. And all this is just doing is I'm just trying to add more flavor to the gravy. A little bit of red wine. That'd be enough. And I got about a half of a box of beef stock here. I'm going to say that's about a 1/4 of a box of beef stock. Just give this a whisk. And try to pour it in the bag without making a mess. Off of there. And then we'll have to see if we got enough liquid. I think I'm going to go a little bit more beef stock. Those them potatoes will soak up some juices as they cook. And put a half a box of beef stock in there. And just wrap this up.
Where's your thingy?
Right over here.
Okay.
I keep my thingy nearby at all times. And if you're watching me and you've been watching my live feeds we've been doing the last couple of weeks, I appreciate the views. I've been having a lot of fun with that. So, and I think Zachary has too. So we'll see. Get this good and tight. And then you're supposed to poke half a dozen holes in here. So that's what I'm going to do. Poke half a dozen holes in here. And you got to make sure you poke the holes in the top of the bag. You don't want to poke them in the bottom. Well, there may be people from Kentucky watching this. Hi, Jeffy. So.
I'll smack him for you, Jeff.
There you go. So, anyways. That'll be enough holes poked. Alright, put this in the oven. It's 350 degrees. 2 hours to be 4:30. It's going to be between 4:30 and 5. So, we'll be back in 2.5 hours. So, go take a nap. We'll be back. Okay, y'all. That's what I ended up with. Gravy is not as thick as I wanted it to be, but we're going to live with it. And, let me make you a plate, and give you a taste test and see what we ended up with. So, we'll be back in a few. Okay, that's what it ended up with. And we'll see what it looks like, what it tastes like, and go from there. Try my potatoes first. Yeah, I can do that. Piece of meat here. Y'all get you a cooking bag. Make you a meal. You make anything in it. Turkey, chicken, duck, roast beef, pork roast. Hell, just make you a vegetable meal. Put them in there if you want. So I'm gonna go eat. I'd like to thank Mitch again for the donation for the chuck roast. And there you go, girl. Get you a cooking bag and try one. Oh, onions be yummy. Love me some onions. Y'all have a good one. We'll see you next time. Cheers.